All right. Picking Vegas and beyond. So, the drama in the reselling community has people picking sides and, I don't really pay much attention to other resellers on YouTube because I couldn't care less. But there was this one guy who made a video who was saying that apparently Ryan from Rally Roots attacked Harry Tornado. I don't understand what happened there. I was under the impression they were friends because Josh from Harry Tornado was buying stuff from Rally Roots. So I didn't know anything about any of that because I don't have time to watch all these videos that people put out. But anyway, he brought that up because he was saying that pretty much people are saying that Rally Roots does the exact same stuff that Chris from Daily Refinement does. Or I should say did. The difference is Daily Refinement's account was banned. So people are pretty much insinuating that Rally Roots' account should be banned. Because they're saying that they do the same damn thing. Which I don't know if they do or not. So I'm staying out of that because I don't know. I don't watch all their videos, like I said. I used to, watch them more often, but some stuff happened that I didn't really like, and I stopped watching them as often as I used to. So, I don't know. But yeah, the drama just keeps spreading and more people are getting pulled into it, and people are still saying that Chris's account should be reinstated because they don't understand that everyone has to follow the same goddamn rules. If eBay decides to ban you, you're done. No one should get special treatment, no matter how many fucking YouTube subscribers they have. And no matter what their stupid little minions say. Because if that were the case, if he gets reinstated, every banned account that has ever been banned on eBay should be reinstated just because. Because it doesn't make sense for them to reinstate him if they're not going to reinstate everyone else. That's how I see it. Because if you fucking go back on your word and reinstate one account, then you're pretty much saying that there's no reason to ban anyone. Because you, eBay, is who I'm talking to directly. If eBay decides to go back on their word and reinstate his account just because of a bunch of trolls on the internet, then there's no reason for them to ever ban an account again. That's because there's no reason for him to be reinstated if they felt like he should be banned. They banned him, so he should stay banned. No matter what anyone else says, because it does not matter what these idiots on the internet say about reinstating his account, because you idiots don't fucking own eBay, and your opinion does not matter. And not only that, he's already moving on. And that's the part that his minions don't seem to understand. He's still collecting money for peddling useless information for a platform that he's banned on, and his idiotic minions still want him to be reinstated, despite the fact that he said himself repeatedly that he is done with eBay and he is moving on. But his minions don't care. They're ignoring every single fucking thing he says and trying to demand that eBay reinstate his account. But like I said, if that happens, then honestly, if that happens, a lot of people will probably leave eBay, because that will prove that they give special treatment to people. I know there's a lot of people out there who are already fed up with eBay because of how things have been. But if they go and reinstate his account after banning him, a lot of those people that are already fed up with eBay will leave. And that will cost eBay more money than him being banned. Because if you ban someone and then turn around and reinstate them, that's going to piss off especially someone like him, who admitted that he knew that what he was doing was going to eventually catch up to him. He admitted it on video, but yet his stupid fucking minions want him reinstated. Despite the fact that he's peddling information that is completely useless and no one in their right mind should pay for. But he's teaching people to do one thing while he's doing another. And his minions have no problem with that because their brains don't work. And that's the thing. There's still people out there who are making videos, kissing his ass, and I don't play favorites. I don't give a fuck who you are. If I don't like something you do, I'm going to tell you. But a lot of people, and that's another thing. There's a lot of stupid people that apparently don't know how the fuck eBay, or not eBay, but YouTube works. I saw in the comments, there was like multiple comments by different accounts pretty much saying the same shit, saying that people are using what happened to Daily Refinement to get views. Yeah, that's how fucking YouTube works. If there's drama going on, you jump on it and that'll help your channel grow. It doesn't matter if you like the person or not. YouTube is all about the views, all about growing your channel. And if you're not smart enough to understand that, maybe you shouldn't be on the platform at all. But yeah, I mean, there's people who are kissing his ass and people who are like me who couldn't care less. And then you have people who obviously have no fucking idea how YouTube works, who are making stupid fucking comments about people who are just making videos for the views because of the drama. That's exactly what you're supposed to do on YouTube. If you find out that something is going on and you have a YouTube channel, you make a video about whatever that is that's going on. It gets you views. It grows your channel. It's not that fucking hard, really.